Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to share the fun of prize picks with your friends and earn rewards? Let me show you how to refer a friend in just a few easy steps. First of all, log into your PrizePicks account on the app or website. Open the account menu and tap the Refer a Friend option. Now, you will see your unique referral link or code. Share this link with your friends via text, email, or social media. When your friend signs up using your link or code and makes their first deposit, both of you will earn rewards. It's that simple. Once your friend completes their deposit, your referral bonus will be added to your account automatically. You can use it to make picks and win even more. And that's it. Thanks for watching.